Title: The Laughing Clown of Ramadan. Story: In a lively town, Ramadan was always a time of joy and kindness. But this year, something strange happened. Every night, after Iftar, people would hear a mysterious laughter echoing through the streets. Ha 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 ha. It wasn't a normal laugh. It was creepy and magical. A 12-year-old boy named Omar loved adventures. He and his best friend Sarah decided to find out where the laughter was coming from. With a flashlight and lots of courage, they followed the sound to an old circus tent that had been closed for years. Inside, the tent was dark and dusty. Suddenly, bang, the lights flickered, and colorful balloons floated in the air. Then, from the shadows, a clown appeared. But he wasn't an ordinary clown. His suit was glowing, and his eyes twinkled like stars. "Welcome, little ones," the clown said with a wide, mischievous grin. "I am Jokr the Ramadan clown. I test those who forget the true meaning of Ramadan." Omar and Sarah exchanged nervous glances. "A test?" Sarah asked. Jokr juggled glowing Ramadan lanterns. "Many kids only think about eating at Iftar, sleeping all day, or playing games. But Ramadan is more than that. If you pass my test, I will reward you with a magical surprise." The clown snapped his fingers, and 3 doors appeared. The first door had an image of delicious food. The second door showed a big, comfy bed. The third door had a picture of helping hands. "Choose wisely," Jokr said, spinning in circles. Omar thought hard. "Ramadan is about helping others." Sarah nodded. "We choose the third door." The moment they touched the door, sparkles filled the air. The tent disappeared, and they were back in town. But something felt different. Now, whenever Omar and Sarah helped someone, their hands glowed with golden light. Jokr's laughter echoed again, but this time, it wasn't scary. It was happy and magical. That night, as Omar and Sarah gave food to a hungry boy, they heard Jokr's voice in the wind. "Now you truly understand Ramadan." Moral: Ramadan isn't just about eating or sleeping. It's about kindness, helping others, and learning self-control. When we do good, we receive magical blessings.